Hello everybody, happy Monday. Hope you all had a great weekend. So at this point you should have already done your warm-up, and today in US Studies this is the assignment that you are going to be working on. So it's in our folder, it's called Intro to Government Google Form. You'll open that up. You'll need to put your first and last name here. And the very first thing we're going to do, it says first take a look at this presentation, review the vocabulary words. Then you're going to practice on this Quizlet matching the vocabulary words, and you're going to type done when you've gone through the vocab. Do not skip this step. These vocab words are very important to this unit, so you want to make sure that you complete this step. After you complete this step, you're going to click next. So I'm going to type in here. You're going to click next, and then you'll see here there's different sections with different readings. So it says listen to this reading, then answer the following questions. There's a link to the reading, and then you're going to answer the question. As you go through your assignment, there's going to be different things like that for you to do. To read and answer questions and so forth. So basically all you're doing today is following each instruction for each section of the Google form. When you're done, make sure you click submit at the end, and then please stay in your assigned seats and do something quietly and independently. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow.